Welcome to this new series. I will show you how to get online passive income. In this video I am going to show you how to create your own crypto faucet. Please subscribe my channel and write to the comments what next video should be. Let's start. Click on the link in the description or go to wedos.com. It's my favorite website hosting. They're so cheap and have very high quality products. As first, let's register domain. Go to domains and then quick domain registration. Here select your name of domain and extension. I recommend to you select one of these extensions. They're so cheap with 50% discount code. .site is cheapest domain extension, with discount it's something under €1. Don't forget to disable domain monitoring, it's useless. As you can see, .site domain is only 0.79 cents. Now register and order your domain. I already have domain and web hosting. And now I'm going to show you how to order web hosting with discount. Go to web hosting section on wedos.com and select no limit web hosting. To domain, write name of your domain which you ordered before. Don't forget to check if you have selected HTTPS certificate for free. Late you will need it. Don't forget to activate your 50% web hosting discount. Web hosting with discount is only €20. Now we're going to set up web hosting. Log into your Wedos account, and on left side click on web hosting. As first we must to create new database, click on create database. Enter the name of the database, and email to get password to your database. Next let's set up SSL certificate to get HTTPS. Go to HTTPS section. And select last option and save it. It can take few minutes to get SSL certificate. Now we're going to download FTP client, search for WinSCP, go to website, download it and install it. Now log into your FTP, use details sent to your email. Now we're going to download our faucet script, search for GR8 faucet, click on first link, go to GR8 faucet Lite and download it. Now we must set up database to our faucet, extract downloaded file, and look for config file, open it and set up database details from your email. Do it according to the screen. Now open WinSCP, connect to FTP of your web hosting, find location of script in your computer, open www and move it from your computer to FTP. And let's check domain, if faucet is working. I get here some warnings. If you get it too, look how to fix it. Go to FTP and open config. And here set show errors to false. Don't forget to save it. Try reload your website. If nothing happened, go to Wedos and PHP configuration. And here PHP errors and HTML errors set to user's value, and turn off it. Click on Save and now wait 30 minutes to get update of site. After 15 minutes from saving PHP config in Windows, errors are not showing. Let's set up faucet. Password to admin login is your database password, so go to config and copy password of your database. And now let's make basic setup of faucet. Micro wallet set on faucetpay, API key leave empty yet, and other forms you must fill yourself. Now we're going to create our faucet on faucetpay. Click on link in the description or search for faucetpay. Deposit few euros to pay out faucet collectors. When deposit is done, go to the dashboard and select faucet owner dashboard. Set name of your faucet and domain, and then click on add faucet. And you get your API key, copy it and paste it to your faucet admin panel. And now setup, payout coin, time, reward and referral reward. And don't forget to save. Now let's check faucet if is it working. Faucet look like working, but I forget to add CAPTCHA. Go to faucetpay, faucet owner dashboard, and go to funds manager, and here add crypto to your faucet wallet. Now let's add reCAPTCHA to faucet, search for reCAPTCHA admin and click on first link, log in using your Google account. Set name of your website, select reCAPTCHA v2, add domain and click to create. And there are our tokens. These tokens copy and paste to faucet admin panel. And don't forget to save. Done, let's try to claim. As you can see, faucet is paying, but now I'm going to show you how to monetize it and earn money from your faucet passively. There are two options to monetize your faucet. First is banners and second is short links. On start I recommend to banners. I will make more videos about faucet, and in next video I will show you how to maximize your earnings and upgrade faucet. Now I'm going to show you banners options of monetization. Go to aads.com, register and go to create new ad unit. Check needed banner resolution and find it in order of banner options. Right here domain of your faucet. And on filter content allow everything, like on video, it will increase your earnings. Pass reCAPTCHA and create new banner unit. Go to banner details, copy code, go to admin panel of your faucet and section templates, find your banner resolution and paste here your code, save it and check if is it working. Working. Banner is showing, now make it with all banners. Faucet is done, you can start sharing it and earn money. If you want a video, how to increase income of your faucet to few dollars daily, write it to the comments section, I will make it. If you have problem with faucet, join to Discord or write comment, I will be happy to help you, and please subscribe my channel, it will help me so much. Thanks for watching.